Fast Video Cataloger can transcribe the speech in your videos, so you can search your footage by what people actually said, not just by file names and tags. Here it is, finding a spoken word across a whole catalog and jumping straight to the moment it was said. In this tutorial, where the speech-to-text models live and how to turn transcription on, the 2 ways to search a transcript, how to handle footage that isn't in English, and how to transcribe videos you have already indexed. Transcription runs locally on your own machine. Your footage isn't uploaded anywhere, and there's no account to connect. Speed depends on which model you pick and whether you have a graphics card. There are figures for both later on. Setting this up is 2 steps. Choose a model, then turn transcription on. The models live in the AI Models Manager behind the app icon at the top left under Maintenance. Under Speech to Text, there are 2. An English-only model included with the app and one that handles all languages. If any of your footage is in a language other than English, download the All Languages model and choose Use. If everything you work with is English, the included model is fine and a little faster. Transcription is turned on in Preferences under Video Indexer, enable speech-to-text transcription. With that on, every video you index from here on gets a transcript automatically in the same pass that captures the thumbnails. While this runs, the indexer is doing both jobs on the same pass, capturing thumbnails and transcribing the audio. It runs in the background so you can carry on working. And there's the transcript, time-stamped, line by line, alongside the video. The rest of this folder was indexed the same way, so every clip now has a searchable transcript. You don't have to transcribe everything this way. You can also transcribe individual videos whenever you like, which is often the better option for a large catalog. There's a chapter on that later. There are 2 ways to search a transcript. The first one finds which clips contain a word. On the left is the video catalog, showing everything in this folder. In the search window, open the transcript section and type the word you're after. This one is moon. Run the search and the catalog narrows to just the clips whose transcript contains that word. Open one of those results and the transcript window comes up with the same term already filled in and every match marked, so you don't have to type it again. The second way to search works inside a single video. The search bar at the top of the transcript window searches only the video you're looking at. It marks every line that matches, and these arrows step through them one at a time. Each step moves the player with it. So the search window finds you the clip and the transcript window finds you the moment inside it. A few notes on how the search matches text so you get the results you expect. A plain word matches that exact word. Astronaut matches astronaut, but not astronauts. Add an asterisk to match anything that starts the same way. Astronaut star matches astronaut and astronauts, so you get more clips back. It's worth using by default. 2 words means both words and they have to be on the same line, not just in the same video. Or matches either one, and a capital not excludes a word. 2 more worth knowing. A minus sign in front of a word doesn't exclude it, so use not for that, and quotation marks aren't needed. The words inside them are matched individually rather than as an exact phrase. Both are handy to remember when a search returns more than you expected. Now the part that matters if your footage isn't all in English. The model included with the app understands English only. It's smaller and faster, and for an all-English catalog, it's the right choice. This is a Swedish interview, a politician introducing himself and his party, and this is what the English-only model made of it. The course is a very parliamentary and familiar part of it, from Australia. He never said that. The model doesn't speak Swedish, so it produced fluent English that has nothing to do with the audio, and then it started repeating itself. There's no error and no warning. The transcript goes into the catalog looking like any other. Open AI models again, select the all languages model and click Use. That's the whole change. Here's the same clip with that model active. Correct Swedish and nothing else was changed. There's no language setting to pick. And what he's actually saying is close to the opposite of what the English-only model reported. It detects the language for each file and transcribes in that language, so a mixed folder of Swedish, German, Spanish and English comes out right in one pass. So, if any of your footage isn't in English, set this before you index. Here's what that costs, measured on the machine I'm recording this on. With a graphics card, handling every language costs about 23 extra seconds per hour of footage. Without one, it's a real trade, roughly 5 minutes an hour against 17. And expect the very first run to be slower than the rest. That's one-time setup, not the model. So what if you've already indexed your archive with the wrong model or with transcription switched off? Select whatever you want to redo, right-click, index, transcribe audio. That reruns speech to text and nothing else. Your thumbnails, your keywords, your actors, everything you've already built stays exactly as it is. So it costs you processing time, not your catalog. One requirement, this reads the video file itself, so the media has to be online. An unplugged drive won't work. And this is what you work with day to day. Play the video and the transcript follows along, highlighting each line as it's spoken. Click any line and the player jumps straight to it, which on a 40-minute interview replaces an enormous amount of scrubbing. Right-click a line and you can capture a thumbnail at that exact moment or push it onto a playlist. So a rough assembly can start from what people said and you build your selects as you read. And that's the useful part. Not the transcript itself, but that your footage is searchable by what was said in it.